So here, as I think about it for today, we need to figure out the measurement this person needs to send in to get a right size cover for their pool. So first, let's just imagine what this looks like. We know the pool is circular. So here is our circular, here is our circular pool. And if I'm thinking about what a cover would be, a cover goes all the way over the pool. So the entire area of the pool is going to need to be covered. So that tells me right away that I'm looking for the area of the pool so that I can cover the entire area of the pool. So I need to be thinking about how I find the area of a circle since the pool is circular. So I know that I need to find the area by doing area equals pi r squared. So I know that this is how I'm going to find the area, but I need to be thinking about what else I know from the problem. So I know that it's circular. There it is. I know we're finding the area because the cover covers the whole entire thing. The other thing that is important to note is the distance from one side of the pool to the other through the center is 19 feet. So let's think about what that looks like. From the center, from one side of the pool, so we'll say right here, through the center, we know is 19 feet. So let's label that. This is 19 feet. 1, 9, it's 19 feet. So when I think about what that means in terms of a circle, that's actually the diameter. The diameter goes all the way across. When I'm looking at my area formula, I just need to know the radius. So I need to think if the diameter is 19 feet, what is each side of this? So I can divide 19 by 2 in order to get the radius here. And I know that 19 divided by 2 is going to give me 14 and a half, or 14 and 5 tenths. So I know that my radius r is 14 and 5 tenths. So let's go back to the problem here. I need the approximate size. That means I'm estimating. That means that I do not need to keep my answer in terms of pi. I can actually solve it using what I know about pi, which is that it is about 3 and 1400ths. So let's go ahead and plug in some of these values we know for our equation. We don't know the area. That is what we're solving for. I'm looking for an approximation. So instead of writing pi, I'm going to write 3 and 1400ths. Then I'm going to multiply it by 14 and 5 tenths squared. So that's 14 and 5 tenths times 14 and 5 tenths. And now I can solve. So I'm going to come over here and solve for 14 and 5 tenths times 14 and 5 tenths, because that's 14 and 5 tenths squared. Where did that text box go? All right, we'll just use my pen. So we have 14 and 5 tenths times 14 and 5 tenths. And when I calculate that out, I will get a total of 210 and 25 hundredths. So that leaves me with A is equal to pi, or my approximation of pi, 3 and 14 hundredths, times 210 and 25 hundredths. So when I multiply that out, 210 and 25 hundredths times 3 and 14 hundredths. That will give me 660 and 185 thousandths. I need to round my answer to the nearest hundredth of a foot. So that means that the area of the cover that I need would be 660 and 119 hundredths feet squared. So that is the measurement of cover that this person will need to order in order to have their whole pool covered. So we are going to think about the work we just did and the work you just saw in the debrief to name our key point.